Corinne is a form teacher of 2 classes in secondary school. As a responsible teacher, she wants to provide frequent updates to the parents. This would be a good time to do so because it has been a month since the Meet the Parents session. While on the way to school, Corinne takes out her mobile phone and starts up the EduTracker application. After logging into the system, Corinne's form classes are displayed. She selects Class 3A to update. The first student, Albert Ang's page, is brought up with his profile details and the option to assess his performance measures. Corinne assesses Albert's performance at school. After that is done, Corinne assesses the next student, John Low. However, before she could start assessing John Low, she had to alight the train to take a shuttle bus. She closes the EduTracker application and makes her way to the pickup point. While on the bus, Corinne conveniently opens up the application again, and John's page is displayed for her to continue from where she left off. Once she finished assessing John Low, she continued to complete the updates for all her other students. Corinne remembers that there will be a supplementary class next week for only the weaker students of Class 3A, and she would like to inform their parents about this. Thus, she navigates to the calendar page and proceeds to add an event to the calendar. She selects only the students who are required to attend. After filling in the details, the events show up on the calendar. When she is just one stop away from school, she suddenly remembers that she forgot to add a comment for Albert Ang. She opens up EduTracker again, selects Class 3A, and she sees the students of that class. She selects Albert Ang from the list, adds a comment, and saves the changes. At this point of time, she arrived at her station and she closes the application and alighted the train.